Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in FinWise Loan account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is go to the official website of FinWise. So for that, click on the search bar, type in finwise.bank, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of FinWise Bank. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your FinWise loan account, you'll basically have to log into your FinWise online account. From there, you'll be able to access and manage your loans. So what you have to do is simply click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Make sure to enter the correct username. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option, forget login, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the username and password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, if the two-factor authentication is enabled, you might have to go through the authentication process. Complete the authentication process and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in FinWise loan account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.